guys! Welcome to an episode of Tiger Garage. So today, we have our client here, Sir Neil natin. So ito yung unit niya, SRV. So apparently, meron siyang common issue. Nawawala ng signal yung TPMS. As in, brand new to. So sabi ni Casa, kailangan lang i-recalibrate. So itatesting natin ngayon kung makalibrate natin. Hala, pupunta tayo sa setting. TPMS. Yan. Habang nasa TPMS tayo, pupunta tayo sa exit. Long press natin exit para magiging gray. And then, pupunta tayo sa gulong setting. Magiging gray ulit dapat siya. Ayan. Didn't learn. So, ang gagawin natin, press ka ng isang enter. Habang lumabas ng learning, maglalabas na kayo ng hangin. So, antayin mo, biglang... Ayan. Pag lumabas na yung number, ibig sabihin, nakaset ka na. Okay na. So ayan, yan yung tip natin for the day. So if you guys are interested in this item or services, just give us a message and let us make it happen. Thank you guys for watching. Let us see you next time. Goodbye!